Hi, and welcome back to May's Electronics, or Maria's Electronics, however you want to say it. And I just wanted to share. I know I haven't been posting anything in a long time, but I finally ordered the reminder box PCBs. They're all nice and soldered on. They actually do fit. I was able to find a library for Eagle, and it actually does work. And yeah, so just thought I'd want to thank Andreas. This is a really great project. And just going to flip back here. The only problem with this one is that got the silk screen wrong. But we'll say that there's only 4 surface mount resistors in the entire project. So, and it's 0604, I think it is, or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to be building a couple more of these now. And thank you again. I'll be linking the Andreas's project in the description. Have a great day. Goodbye.